Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. And let's dive into our plan with me for September. Can't believe it's already so far into the year that we are going to set up our first autumn kind of months. But before we dive into the September plan with me, let's flip through our August bullet journal spreads. If you haven't seen me set up those and want to check out the process, I will leave a link in the description down below to my August plan with me video. Go check this out after watching this one to the end, hopefully. But now let's dive in. I used some pieces of my autumn ephemera printable. This you can get in my shop. I will leave a link in the description down below as well. Just wanting to have some bits and bobs to start from, and I decided for the theme for September. I did a little poll on our community tab, so if you want to take part in my videos, definitely follow me to get regular updates and to have an opportunity to take part in the decisions of what kind of videos are coming, what video topics are interesting, and many more things to come. And for now, I did do a little poll on the community tab if we want to do a late summer kind of theme or if we wanted to do an early autumn for September. I feel like September is right on the brink of both kind of themes that are possible. But like me, you kind of are all autumn obsessed, what I feel like. So early autumn definitely has won this little poll, and I'm really happy about it. I'm such an autumn person. I can't wait to finally have some more crispy days and get some colorful leaves and have time to get cozy with a good cup of coffee and just sitting inside watching the rain pour or just looking at the beautiful leaves and making some nature walks or things. So I'm really happy with the early autumn theme for today's bullet journal setup video, and here I do create a little collage for my title page for September. I did, as always, include the mini version of my monthly calendar printable, as well as some pieces of the autumn ephemera printable kit. What is your theme for September? Did you do an early autumn or a late summer kind of vibe? Let me know in the comments down below. I would absolutely love to hear from you. Now here I'm testing out a few different autumn colored markers of mine from the different brands to decide which accent color I want to use for the spread and the September setup here. And I did land on the most kind of yellow and copper shiny ones, but because I feel the colors are the best for autumn. Here I include a little quote. September, you are the doorway to the season that awakens my soul. I just feel that's kind of fitting for somebody who loves autumn so much, so I thought that's a perfect quote to do. Now let's flip on over to our next spread, which is the typical calendar overview that I do after my title page in my bullet journal for the monthly setups. And for the September monthly calendar overview, I decided to do a grid layout again with 6x6 dots squares. You might recognize those layouts from some different plan with me. It's just the best that works for me. I'm just keeping this page really simple, and something that I am doing that is a bit newer to my bullet journal setup now, I'm doing it for 3 months I guess, is to include my YouTube plan with me column onto the calendar overview spread. It has really worked well for me, and it saves me a little bit of time as well as some pages in my bullet journal if I don't do a separate spread for my YouTube stuff. And I really realized the little column with the overview of which video is coming in which week is totally fine and is enough to plan for the months, and everything else I am planning in my weekly spreads anyway, so there is no point in having a separate YouTube kind of spread. I'm really happy with how the spreads for September have turned out, and I can't wait to dive into those as soon as the days get colder. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on my creative journey, hit the subscribe button down below.